Watch this video and learn how to draw a banana. Yay!
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Oh, hello everyone.
Hello, guys. Hello, little artists. Artie. Hello to you too, Artie. Let's start.
Are you ready to make some art?
I sure am.
Me too, Mikey. Let's begin. We'll start by drawing 2 little black circles towards the top of the page. They're going to be the banana's eyes.
Mikey, this is so much fun.
I told you it'd be great.
It's always fun, Betty. Okay, now let's draw some little ovals around those black dots. That'll make the eyes look a little bit larger. Yes, that's it, Artie. Do the one on the right. Just a little oval shape. How about a couple of little black triangles for eyebrows? One on the left and one on the right. Now, what's missing? A mouth. That's right, Artie. Let's do a big smiling mouth. Draw another curve underneath. That's it. And now we have some teeth. Let's shade in that middle part completely black so that the teeth really stand out. If we're going too quick, here's a message from Louie.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Great advice as usual, Louie. Thank you. Let's draw the banana shape around the face.
Man, this is creative.
Now draw a line down on the right-hand side. That's it, Artie. Now our banana is going to be half peeled, so let's draw the peel on the left side. A big curved line, turn the corner and go back up again.
This is looking good.
Yes, it is.
That's right, Mikey. It's looking really good. And we aren't even half finished yet. Another big curve, turn the corner and go back again. Now we have our peel. Please, could you have a snack break? Well, Artie, you asked so nicely. Yes, let's go and have a snack break. I see you have a banana there, Artie. Did you know that a cluster of bananas is called a hand? A single banana, like the one you're holding, is called a finger. You didn't know that? I bet you didn't know that bananas can float in water. Did you know bananas are very healthy? They're full of vitamin C and monkeys love them. Okay, silly monkey, let's go. All right, snack break over. Let's get on with the drawing. You ready? Now let's draw the bottom unpeeled part of the banana. A big curve down.
Hey, Betty, where'd you get those earrings?
Oh, thank you for noticing. They're from a local artist.
Oh.
And now another big curve down to the bottom. And finally, let's do a third curved line down towards the bottom. I suppose bananas have bottoms. Now let's connect those 3 curves at the bottom with some straight lines. 1, 2. Very good. Now 3 little straight lines in the same direction as the curved lines. That's it, Artie. Now let's draw a little diamond shape at the bottom. 4 straight lines. Perfect. Finished? You ready to colour it in?
Artie, I think you should color it in now.
Get your markers, Artie. Let's go.
Well done, Artie. It looks fantastic. Good enough to eat.
Yeah.
Are you happy with it?
Very well. Very well.
Pretty good.
Have an Artie day.
Well, little artists, thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.